ezLocator helped with the quality of the greens by allowing me to save portions of the greens. Being in a northeast state, sometimes coming out of spring, there's some weak areas in the shaded parts of the greens. So ezLocator has allowed me to fence those areas off with the computer and just stay away from them until they're ready for play.
Before we had maybe 4 quadrants of pin locations, and by October or November you could see the old cups all concentrated in those 4 areas, where with ezLocator now the pin placements have been spread out to a point where we don't get those groupings of old pin locations.
It allowed us to be able to take areas of the green out of play in certain circumstances, whether they were worn areas, wet areas, areas we may have laid new sod, and we can do that all from the office, and then just the computer generates hole locations outside of those areas. So I say, that's probably the biggest way it's helped us to improve the quality of our greens.